Hi guys. So I'm back again with this. I got this in the mail a few days ago. In the Netherlands, women between 30 and 60 years of age receive an invitation for the Bevolkingsonderzoek baarmoederhalskanker, or in English, the Cervical Cancer Screening Program. According to their records, it states that some time ago I received an invitation to take part in the screening for free. But according to our information, you have not done this. So to make it easier for you, we have now sent you a self-test. And in this envelope we have here, this is the self-test with the instructions. The previous letter with the invitation, you can choose whether you want to go to the GP to do it or you can do it at home. So since I didn't reply, they just sent me this self-test. I'm just going to explain what it is because I find it very interesting that they sent it to us at home. The self-afname test or the self-test is basically the small device that you use to collect a sample from your vagina. You send it to the lab and then it will check for HPV, the human papillomavirus, which most people have, but depending on your immune system, your body can clear it on its own or it can develop into abnormal cells. This test only checks for HPV and not cancer. So it's not as comprehensive as when you would go to the GP. But some people like that you can do it in the privacy of your own home and it's super convenient, obviously. Others prefer to go to the GP. We have here step one. Step one, you have a letter inside. I think this was the explanatory letter here. How to use the self-test. Wash your hands, insert the device, rotate it a few times, remove it, and put it back in the tube. Wait, does it have my information on it? Okay, it's just a barcode. Okay, insert, swab, and then cover it. And then here they give you a clearer diagram to show you like which one is your urethra and which one is your vagina. And then after you have done this, you put this in here. There's like a little plastic thing to protect this test inside. I don't know if you can see it. Just to help keep it shape. So you put it in here, put it back in the envelope. A special envelope called medical post. And then you send it off and the postage is paid. Instructions are clear, I think, but of course, you're still doing this at home. It's a self-test. And then afterwards, you'll get your results by mail. And if the test doesn't find any HPV, you are done until the next screening round. In my experience, I go to a lesson every week and I have women who are in their late 20s, early 30s, and they were all talking about this test. Like, oh, we got ours in the mail. They were very excited about it. So I think the general sentiment is that people are very happy to have this self-test and have it done in the convenience of their home. But of course, this test is just an option. It's not an obligation. If I just ignored this, I don't know, would they send me another one? Some people choose to not participate at all. So in the end, it's your body, it's your choice. If you get invitation, you can read it or ignore it. Whatever it is, you do what feels right for you. I'm just quite amazed that they send this to my house. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.